Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your laptop, disk space, OS version, and administrative access. Download and install the official Python release and make sure to add Python to the path during setup. This lets you run Python from any terminal. Once done, install a lightweight editor like VS Code and enable the Python extensions so linting and autocomplete work. You're beginning a reliable, maintainable environment. Do these steps now to avoid configuration headaches later and move to coding immediately. You now isolate projects by creating a virtual environment, run Python mvenv and activate it so dependencies don't conflict. Once activated, upgrade pip and setup tools to ensure smooth package installs, then install libraries you need. User requirements: TXT or piproject. TOML to record versions. This preserves reproducibility across machines. Make sure your editor points to the env's interpreter so linting and run commands target the right Python. With the env ready, you can develop, run tests, and iterate safely. You finish by running and testing your code. Execute Python script. Py or use your editor's run/debug controls to step through logic. Add simple tests and run PyTest to verify behavior. Make assertions explicit so failures reveal root causes quickly. If something breaks, first confirm the correct interpreter is active, the virtual environment is activated, and pip list shows expected packages. Once done, fix dependency mismatches or path issues and rerun tests. This closes the loop so your laptop.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.